and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is Nykaa haul. It is one of my best videos to make and to watch. So let's get started. There was a sale going on Nykaa, and I bought few products and I would love to share it with you. So here are the boxes. I also ordered something from Biotic. So one is my order and one is the free gift which I got, and I'm really excited to open. So the first product which I can see is, so the first thing which I have is this aloe vera gel. Now this is from BoroPlus, and I've always used Patanjali aloe vera gel. So this time I wanted to try something else. So I saw this BoroPlus. It had really good reviews and it has organic, 100% organic aloe vera gel. It's for soothing, moisturizing and nourishing. Now the next product which I have is this Biotic's Tea Tree Skin Clearing Clay Mask. So I really wanted something with tea tree because my pimples, they are not going anywhere. They have come here to stay with me. So I think I should use something with tea tree because it always suits me. Products with tea tree suits my skin. My skin is combination and sometimes oily. I'm going to use it. I'm going to review this very soon. So the next thing is actually for my husband because he uses Lakmé's product. So he uses this moisturizer every day. It has SPF 24 and it's for all skin types. It is a very good product. Even I use sometimes, but so this is a must have for him. So I had to order a big bottle. Now this was for rupees 425 and I got it only for 298 rupees, which is a very good thing that I saved like more than 100 rupees on this. So next thing what I have is the mascara. Now I am very less on my mascaras. Earlier when I started doing all this makeup thing, I had only one Lakme ka mascara. Now I have Maybelline ka, that black and purple bottle. So I really wanted to try the Colossal one because the kajal is my favorite. So I thought let's try this mascara. Ye kaise hoga. Now this was for rupees 399 and I got it for 299, only 100 rupees. Isme bhi bach gaye. I added 2 nail paints in my cart. Then I realized I had so many nail paints and I should do something about them because they are dry and everything. So we all know that thinner आता है जिससे nail paints वापस ठीक हो जाती है. So I ordered this Gala of London nail polish thinner. This so that I can use all my nail polishes which have dried out, and just use them at least once or twice is more than enough. So this thing is only for rupees 68. The MRP is 90 rupees. It's worth buying. Then I want to try out this Lakme Blush and Glow Gel Scrub Orange Walnut. I always love scrubs which has walnut, and this is the one from Lakme. I'm going to use it and definitely going to review it very soon. The price is 125 MRP. I got it in 94 rupees only. So this sale was a big yay. This is the next one again for my husband. This is the Egg Pore Nose Pack. It contains charcoal powder and this is a nose pack that takes care of your pores and your blackheads. It cleans them. So this is how it looks. It is from Tony Moly. I have heard about this brand but never ordered anything. So order bhi kiya, to ye choti si cheez. See, this is like a paper but it has just one strip of a nose mask, I think so. So I'm going to try this on him. Next thing which I bought is a trial. It's from Bronson Professional Ultimate Classic Beauty Blender Sponge. Now this is how it looks like. I really wanted to try. I don't use sponge and all till now. Mostly I use foundation with my fingers, with my hand, and I have few brushes which are very good, but I really wanted to try. Their reviews are amazing. So this is nice pink color, very soft, very soft. ये ऐसे टच करने में भी बहुत ही स्मूथ और सॉफ्ट लग रहा है, which is really good. So this is nice. So this was for rupees 250. I got only for 160 rupees, which is very good. Next thing which I ordered is the Swiss Beauty eyebrow pencil. I don't want to spend too much money on eyebrows because I really have to do very little. Now Swiss Beauty is a coming up, brand which is coming up with very good products from Swiss Beauty. It has this brush. Only 65 is the MRP and I got it for 49 rupees only. Saint Botanica ka products in my PR to review, and the face wash is so good. Do you remember I had shown you that brush wala? So I ordered one for him. It's not coming with that brush, inbuilt brush. It came without that. वो out of stock था, तो मैंने सिंपल वाला मंगा लिया है. I'm going to put this in that, we can refill it and use it, that the inbuilt brush one. Yeah, so this vitamin C gentle foaming brightening face wash, and this was for rupees 445. I got it for 399, which is also a good thing. Now with this, they added 2 more things in my cart, which was free gift. So they sent me these 2 cute little bottles. These are samples. These both are body wash, and this is rose and cardamom, and this is fresh verbena. It has shea and vitamin E. They are 30 ml each, and it's for 99 rupees. It's very good and it's travel friendly, and I think, okay, this is completely rose. So this was all in my haul, Nykaa haul video. There are so many products I'm going to use and review. And yes, thank you for watching. I hope you like this video. Till then, you be happy and you be stylish.